So how did you come to know about the Expotrons franchise?
So that was really nice. Actually, I was going through some of the franchisee models to work with, and out of 3-4 different franchisee model I selected, the Expectron I came to know from the advertisement, the social media advertisement, and I just clicked the button of submission of my credentials, and within 30 minutes I got a call from the representative of Expectron, and he just taken an appointment for a detailed discussion for the program of franchising. And to be very honest, in the first call only, I got to know that this is the model which is far better than the other model which are available in the market for some of the other edtech industries. So there are plus points and cutting edge possibilities over there to select the Expectron as a channel partner.
Okay. So what are the kind of questions that were there in your mind before you started?
So they primarily there were 3-4 questions. Number one, how good the company is all about, because it is quite difficult nowadays to understand which company is better for our entire career. It should not be a 1 year or 2 year relationship that the company has come in the market, we are just with them and just vanished. I just noticed that situation that this company has a rock solid, we can say, the fundamentals. So that was my first point for me, that company should be very stable. Second point, the product should be unique, should not be very common that other are providing. So then I came to know about the video bot product which the Expectron has, something really up to the mark, futuristic, unique, and problem solving. So that was the thing which I was looking, something unique or some problem solving product should be there, and that was available with the Expectron.
Whatever queries you had initially, so how did you get them solved?
So as I told you that I got a call from Brandon, and he explained me most of the things on the phone itself. We had a Zoom meeting call, and in that I spoke so many things, I cleared so many things, the questions and the answers. And to be very honest, Brandon was clear on his the deliverables, that these are the things which you will get, and these are the things that are need to be kept in mind when you are joining with the Expectron. So I was very much clear on these things. And one more thing, he is very much available, and the other person is team members, like you were also there, and the Richa was also available on the Zoom call whenever it is required. So that the solution coming very easily to me.
Okay, right, sir. So what is the kind of support that you have received from Expotrons?
So I talk about the supports. Yes, whenever I call Brandon for a clarification and I requested him that your team member should be there, immediately he accepted, and within an hour or 2 hours, he arranged a meeting with the team, probably with you, Jay, and probably even sometime with Richa also directly. So that was the first support which I required in a communication, that at least should be fatafat, it should be clear. Second, I visited your head office, Mumbai, and that was very quick, and you that was a really professional and kind gesture that you have attended over there as a channel partner, and you explained each and everything. There is nothing hidden over there. You have explained each and everything. You have shown the entire office. Your the owners and the promoters were sitting over there. Everything is crystal clear over there. So that was pretty clear.
Okay, right. So now, since things have been going well with you, so are you happy with the decision that you had made? Do you regret it?
Correct, right. So I am happy with the decision which I have taken, and with the result I am getting, definitely I am very much happy that it is working now. So there are some kind of an confusion in the starting few days, 7-8 days, but with the time it's solved, and now on a track of growth. So now I'm very happy that yes, it is a bright future if we work. Obviously, every work requires a patience and hard work both. So now on the pace of growth, so we are working together, and definitely it looks very good to me and very promising to me.
All right, sir. Okay, thank you so much, sir, for answering these questions, and we are glad that things are working well. And please, we are very, very open to feedback. And as we discussed about the same, the things will be incorporated and the suggestions that you have given. But we are really glad to have you on board as a business partner with us, and
Yes.
we should grow together. And moving.
And thanks to you for giving me this opportunity actually.
No,
And
no,
you
sir,
are
please.
providing this opportunity to all the aspirants who is looking for a business growth. So really thanks for this opportunity.
No, no, no problem, sir. Thank you so much for being a part of Expertons family, and hoping to meet you soon once things settle down after the lockdown.
Yes, 100%. We will definitely.
All right, sir. Thank you.